Marion, you're missing a lot of the jokes at your expense.
Oh, it's all good.
Here, once Marion gets up here, let's get the group together down there and I'll take a picture of everybody for time and memorial. Here's my stupid dog. My stupid glasses. I found my rock. Here we are. All right, gather in. Tom, Dave.
Damn, he's still taller than me. What the fuck?
All right, you're kind of shady characters anyway, but you're more shady right now. Let's take it. All right, good, and go.
What about you? I needed a rest though.
We need to get you in the photo.
I'm good. I'm waiting on you guys.
And remember, watch this first hill coming up.
Yeah, we had a base camp set up here. We all had a grid. Great.
Oh. Do I get one?
They're handing out free in the grid.
We gave it to the coyote that was hanging around. We left the bite. He doesn't shoot.
Oh.
Over here is taller. So we're going to go down and then over and then down and then up.
We're taking it towards the water.
Bit of a time limit, so
Oh.
we'll hit that one.
I was promised a water slide.
Oh. Did you get a good shot, Dave? Yeah.
Mountain a week and a half ago, and I stumbled. That's a good one. That's probably going to be the best.
The route that
That's probably going to be the best one.
Oh.
Only going to get
That sunrise behind them.
I'm going to get dimmer after this.
Yeah.
down here. Remember, this is
Better than oh, mini fucking hill.
When we came off it, it wasn't. You gotta watch this.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love hills. Oh shit. Aaron, remember, fall forward.
No, this is a fall back.
Oh, fall back.
Come on, man.
Well, I saw.
Last time he almost ended up right there anyway.
I know.
Not the sticker bush.
Oh.
Like today.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
I'm trying to use Aaron to slow down. He moves out of the way.
No way, man.
Like, bro.
This ain't my first rodeo.
You're supposed to cushion my fall.
I know, right?
There he goes. All right.
Yeah, here we go.
Dave made it.
Yeah, at least Tom tried to save
No
you.
way you get the brakes on that.
Yeah, everyone here has a hiking stick. Everyone here has hiking shoes. I got absolutely nothing.
Hey, no one's really the first time I hiked with this dude. Yeah, like, I got one on the cute rod. I got hiking stick. I'm like, damn it.
To be fair, I wasn't offered a hiking pole or whatever. I turned it down.
Oh, did you?
I did.
Oh, because you're young.
I don't have the balance and stability I had.
Just jump ahead.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
You get a look in our graphic. Very good going now.
I almost got this hiking shoes yesterday. It has the air cushion underneath.
Oh, yeah.
And then I saw the price tag and I was like, oh, you know what? Fuck it. I ain't getting it. I only hike once a week. I'm good. But it did look comfortable.
If I go hiking once a week, that's 52 times a year. These shoes last as long as my last one did. Oh yeah, now hiking goes last.
Damn. How many miles you getting before you replace it?
Yeah, like I said, about 300, 350, depending on the shoes. And
Oh.
so, if I can get them for under $100, which I have been getting,
Shit, the other day, I wear these sliders, these slides around the house, right? And I decided to take it outside and go into the K-pop thing with my kids. And we're out there waiting in line to get in. And the first step I take in line, my slides blew up. Yeah, the right one, right? So I was like, oh, fuck. So they had the idea of using my hair tie to kind of keep it together. And it did. And then when it's time to leave and I'm walking to the truck, the left slide blows out. I was pissed.
you're having military base blowout there.
Oh, yeah. I remember them days. The white ones.
Oh, I've had all of them.
Oh, they?
Black ones, white ones, and the brown ones.
Yeah. I've had the white one blow up on me. And then the black plastic one. The baits, right?
Yeah, but not now. But
Yeah, I had the black one blow out too.
someday.
Souls and the deals will turn into
Oh, dust.
go from being perfectly fine one wear and then the next time you wear them.
Yeah.
I remember mine was at a retirement or commissioning ceremony. I remember we were doing facing movements and I did facing movement and I just felt the whole heel.
Just collapse.
The heel just collapsed. And then there was just a trail of dust.
I know everyone in the military had to at least experience it one time in their whole career.
You got to relive it with the slides.
Oh, yeah. At least my slides were like $20. Not like those baits. Oh my God. As cheaply as those shoes are made, I'm surprised they're that expensive.
I don't know, I guess I must have forgot how much they cost. Because, it's still age for retirement. And when this kid got commissioned when I was it 2 years ago,
Yeah.
I said, hey, I'll put my uniform on.
And it exploded.
Salute. So I got some busted out the freaking shoes. And I didn't even do anything more than take them out and put them on my feet and then fell apart.
Yep.
So, and if I guess I just go to exchange, what are they, like 60, 80 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like 150 now.
What? God.
So don't tell anybody, but I didn't wear official Navy shoes.
Huh. I don't think those Air Force guys really know, though. Shit, I'm surprised Air Force even wears a uniform.
They're pretty professional.
Are they?
Pretty green down here.
Yeah.
Just the right
Yeah. I like how this part of the mountain's cool.
It's so much better downhill, man.
Oh, I know. Why can't all these hikes be downhills? And then when you get to the bottom, you know, just like skiing, they have a chairlift. Take you back up. Yeah, right. So there's this, I get in this rabbit hole sometimes on social media in the middle of the night. And there's this time, I don't know the exact date, I want to say August, where we're supposed to lose gravity for like 7 seconds or something. You guys hear about that?
Sounds real believable to me.
Yeah.
Sounds real believable.
No.
What I don't like is all these videos that are coming out of supposedly showing military events in either the war in Ukraine or Iran.
Yeah.
Which are completely made up.
I'm sure in Iran news they're making it sound like we're losing. Yeah.
Things have been washed out over here a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, if I start rolling, try to stop.
I'll go down with you.
Don't worry, man. I'm gonna buy CNN one day, and I'll tell the truth, nothing but the truth on the news. Yeah, yeah. We'll call it the Cortez News Network. Oh yeah. And I'll claim to be like the #1 watch news network. Yeah, right?
It says in very, very small letters underneath.
Yeah.
In Paducah, Kentucky.
Yeah. Where the population's like 3.
All right, obligatory picture by the sign.
The sign.
Oh, where's Dave?
Look, there's a rock for you to stand on.
I'm not saying that.
God, you're so tall.
Really nice.
You're blocking me.
Oh no. Got to be 10 degrees cooler than it was going up the backside of that mountain back there.
That's kind of nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, it was so warm back there.
That was
Yeah, it was
very warm.
very-
That's peculiar warm. All right, everybody smile, pretend you like each other. Think of Black's Beach.
Ooh. Oh, damn. You gotta put that away. Calm down, boy. Calm down. I know. Yeah, I know, right?
Go back again. Can we go back?
All of a sudden, I'm craving breakfast sausages. I know, right?
Yeah.
Better bring your lawnmower next time. Got a trail.
Hey, Aaron, you see how that bush is higher than everything? Right here?
Yeah.
That's where I took a piss a couple weeks ago.
You marked it here? This is your.
Oh yeah, you could tell too. You could tell.
Look how much better it looks.
I know. Look at this guy. That was the first day I hiked.
All your steroids leaks out of your system.
And goes on these plants. Huh?
Lemons would be growing by there.
Oh yeah.
Hey, why are we going back up? I thought we were just going down.
I know, right?
Hold on a second.
It's like Roman hates me.
Roman lies.
Did someone move that sign?
No, that's that one's in there.
Oh, so there's two signs.
Move like
Sorry, man, might have to go nude. Getting warm. Getting warm.
Hey, hold on, let me get my camera ready. I'm going for that 1 million view.
in front of you.
Yeah.
Don't agree to do that. You're getting million.
Oh.
Take the wrong audience.
Did you guys see the text I sent you guys? 3.9 million views. And she didn't even do one push-up.
Oh, I can't know this big lady.
The title goes, I'm going to try to do 2 push-ups. She didn't do 1 and she still got 3.9. Hell yeah. I'll pop and do 10 and I ain't going to get shit.